Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to sign out of Fishdom. Whether you are connected through Facebook, Apple ID, or any other social accounts, you can easily log out of Fishdom, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your device and open up the Fishdom app, and once you're in the game, tap on the gear button in the top left corner. Now, click on Save Progress, and if you're logged in with Facebook, you'll see a Facebook sign out option. Similarly, if you have signed in with Google Play, you will be able to see the sign out of Google Play option and so on. Simply go ahead and tap on the logout option you are trying to log out of, and that way you can easily sign out of Fishdom. Logging out may stop your progress from syncing across devices. Make sure you have your account backed up before signing out. And that is it. You've successfully signed out of your Fishdom account with just a simple tap. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.